must have seen the previous video. So in that video we had started with a revision of chapter number 7, right? That is water and us. Half chapter revision is done. Today we will continue that chapter again and we will complete the revision of this chapter in this session. So as you all know, today is Tuesday and then tomorrow is Wednesday. On Wednesday your test is there of chapter number 6, right? Chapter number 6 ka test hai, that is We Care for Animals. I hope you all are ready for the test. So test I will be sending on the same timing, 9:30 to 10:30. Be ready for that and you have to return me back till 10:30. After that I will not check your test. So आप according to time मुझे send कर दीजिएगा. So in the previous session I told you about the 3 topics, right? I told you about the purposes of water, like where we are using water. I hope that concept is clear. Then second concept was properties of water. I told you about the properties of water, that what is water, like water doesn't have any shape, any smell, any color or any taste, right? So this was about the properties of water, and if you are having any confusion in this, you can watch the videos again and again, and you should read the chapter also for the better understanding. आपको जब तक आप read नहीं करेंगे chapter को आपको अच्छे से समझ नहीं आएगा. Yes, you are listening me, that's good, but you have to read that also. Okay. Then next topic was, I told you how water reaches at our homes. I told you the 4 steps for that. The first step was that water comes from river, and then that water goes to the purification in the big machines, and that big machines are known as water treatment plants, right? Water treatment plants. Then after the purification, this was the first step, water comes from the sources of water, and then it goes to the second step, that is for the purification. It goes to the big machines, and those big machines are known as water treatment plants. Then from big machines, after purification, water will go in big tanks, and those big tanks are known as, what is that? That is reservoir, right? Reservoir are the big tanks where we can store the water. We can store plenty of water. Those are known as reservoir. And then this was the third step. First step was, from sources of water will go for the purification in the big machines. After purification, after purify the water, it will go into the big tanks. Those are known as reservoir. Then the last step is, from reservoir, there are so many big pipes, and then water will reach at our home, and we will get the running water from tap. So that is the process of the water which reaches our home. Clear? I hope this concept is now clear. आपको ये थोड़ा difficult लग रहा था, and I hope it is clear now. So today in this session I will be telling you about the underground water, clean water and stored water. These 3 topics we will be discussing in this session. And students, I hope you remember some facts I told you about the water. Some water facts I told you. Like I told you about some water spring. I told you about the water spring. What is water spring? Water spring is that like when water comes out of its own from the ground. अपने आप water ground में से बाहर आ रहा है, that is called water spring. And if that water is hot, if hot water is coming out from the land at its own, and that is known as hot spring. Okay, hot water spring. And if that water contains minerals and very good in that, so that water is known as mineral spring. Okay, so that is mineral water spring. These are some facts about the water, as I told you in the previous session also. Then next topic is underground water. So what is underground? Underground was the password also of your password was there underground. What is the meaning of underground? Underground means under the ground, the portion which is under the ground. Okay, that is underground. So underground water means that water which is under the ground, okay, which we can get from the sources like tube wells, wells and hand pumps. We can get this water with the help of tube wells, wells and hand pumps. Clear? So this is the underground water. And you know, underground water can be dirty. So we should not drink dirty water. हमें dirty water नहीं पीना चाहिए. But underground water contains dirt, क्योंकि underground means आप ground के नीचे क्या है, सारी soil है. Soil के अंदर कहीं ना कहीं insects होंगे या कुछ impurities होंगी, वो impurities mix होके आ रही हैं water के अंदर. That is underground water. Okay, wells, tube wells and hand pumps are used to draw underground water. Underground water निकालने के लिए these three sources we are using. And some people also use water from the rivers, direct from the river streams. So that water is dirty, but we should firstly purify the water. We should firstly clean the water. Now the next topic is how can we clean the water? Okay, I will be telling you this topic. Before that, what are the sources of underground water? Tell me, what are the sources of underground water? First one is wells. Second one is tube wells, right? And the third one is hand pumps. From these three types of sources, we can draw underground water on this level of surface. Clear? Now the next is clean water. See, we should not drink dirty water, as dirty water contains very germs in it. So if we will drink dirty water which contain all the germs, so what will happen? We will become sick, right? Because dirty water contain so many germs, and germs will go into our body. It will create some disease and it will be very harmful for us. We have to go to the doctor. So we should drink always clean water. Okay. Now how can we clean the water? There are some steps. There are some process to clean the water. The first one is boiling. See, by boiling we can clean the water. Boiling is the very first process by which we can clean the water. See, you can just boil the water and simply it get clean. सारे germs जो vanish हो जाते हैं उसमें से by boiling the water. Clear? The first step was boiling. Then the second step is we also use we also can clean water by using water filter. Nowadays water filter in our homes, you can see in any home you can see there are some water filters, and the thing like electric filters also are there which run from electricity. Electric water filters. Okay, done. So these are the three process by which we can get clean water. जिससे हमें clean water मिल सकता है. Sorry. So we should always drink clean water. We should not drink dirty water, as dirty water contains so many germs and germs create diseases in our body. Right? So we should drink always clean water. Clear? And we should drink plenty of water to hydrate our body. Nowadays in summers our body needs much water. Okay, so we should drink 7 to 8 glasses in a day, and we should eat so many fruits like juicy fruits, जिससे हमारी body अच्छे से nutrients and सब nutrients मिलते हैं. Okay, then the next topic is stored water. See, there are some places, there are some areas which are जहाँ पर पानी की availability all the day नहीं होती है. Okay, so for those places, stored water is the main process by which we can store the water. We can store the water in any container in our home. Like we can use the big tanks. We can use our tanks जो हमारे टेरिस पे होते हैं, फ्लोर्स, हम उसके अंदर वाटर कलेक्ट करके रखते हैं ना, for the emergency, right? So that is for the store water, we can store water in the tanks, we can store water in the bottles. Bottles भी हम फ्रिज में रखते हैं ना to make it chilled. We use bottles to store the water, we use tanks to store the water, we use some containers to store the water, buckets, and so many things we can use to store the water for the emergency. Clear? So this was about the store of water. We should always store the water. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि water की supply नहीं होती है, so next day we should not look for the water. हमारे पास water extra पड़ा हो, so we should always store the water. Okay, that is all, and I hope all the concepts are clear now. And I told you about the rivers also in this chapter. So Delhi city situated near the river. On Delhi city जो डेवलप्ड है वो कौन सी रिवर पे है? आई थिंक यू ऑल नो यमुना, दैट इज यमुना रिवर. देन कोलकाता इज सिचुएटेड ऑन विच रिवर? इट इज डेवलप्ड ऑन, यस, हुगली, दैट इज हुगली रिवर. नेक्स्ट इज अहमदाबाद, ऑन विच रिवर इट इज डेवलप्ड? साबरमती. देन Vijayawada, that is on Krishna River. And I hope that is all for today, and you all the concepts are clear, and our revision part is done. From tomorrow I will be sending like test, so you all have to do that test. I have sent the like all the schedule for the test. आपको कौन सा टेस्ट कब करना है, that is. So be ready for half yearly exams. अच्छे से preparation करते रहिए. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet you soon on Saturday again. Bye bye and take care.